अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द ग्रीन विक्स। आपका मेज़बान अरकम खान। सो गाइस, आप लोगों ने पैसा बनाया क्योंकि हम लोगों ने तो बनाया। इफ यू गाइस वर फॉलोइंग आवर वीडियोस एंड वी गेव सिग्नल्स ऑन द 30th which hit as expected, and in this video today we have brought 3 more setups for you guys. Hopefully आप लोग हमारे इन setups के ऊपर trades लेंगे and you will make money because we definitely are going to make money. So let's get into it. Pale, let's see what signal we had given on the 30th and how that trended, and then we will move into 3 setups we have for euro, oil, and gold. So without wasting any more time, let's take a look. तो ये यूरो USD यूरो की ट्रेड हमने आपको दी थी on the 30th, right? This is what we had said it would trend. If you guys had taken this trade, you would see here we hit our goal. Now we're going to discuss a bit more on Euro USD. We have another trade setup for you guys. So let's quickly jump into it, right? So let's see what the chart has to say. So we see that currently the US dollar euro is sitting on its resistance. Looking at the economic conditions that currently are happening, especially with all the uncertainty around the trade discussions, the news that is going on between Trump, Elon Musk, the new director of security for US, right? We are going to see a plunge in this, right? The trade setup that my team has come up with, it's a short position, right? We're looking at opening a short position over here with a take profit. And this is going to be our stop loss. But I don't expect the stop loss to hit, right? Yep, let's go back in the 4-hour chart. Yep, so this is a pretty good setup. Yeah, currently on current market price, I would open short, right? So just so that we have numbers so that we can refer to later on. We are talking about 0.878 is where we are going to open. Take profit is going to be at 0.8 675 with a stop loss at 0.8826 is where your stop loss is going to be. Yep, somewhere around here. So this is the first setup. So we were looking at it for shorting it further, right? And yes, your take profit should be somewhere around 0. Just to make it clearer, so you guys have the right setup. So we open at 0.878 with take profit at 0.8675 and a stop loss at 0.8826, right? So this would be the first setup that our team came up with. So we will revisit this once either is hit, right? And we're fairly, our confidence level on this is roughly around 90+%. So we're pretty confident with this trade. Now, let's move on into gold. So let's see. So in regards with gold, right? So you guys know that gold prices have been experiencing slight fluctuations amid global economic uncertainties and investor caution, right? So हो क्या रहा है that the market is in a holding pattern. Investors are waiting for key economic data from the US, लेकिन recent data ये show कर रहा है कि US economy is slowing down and the US-China trade disputes are influencing gold prices, right? Gold has been bullish on an upward trend, but let's see what currently on the 6th, which is today, how things are looking like. Let me just reset. So we did see around the 30th of May positive momentum. It broke its resistance, right? Bounced from the support level but couldn't hold, and now has come down and is sitting on its key support, which was a resistance that it broke on 2nd of June, right? Looking at how things are trending and with the fundamentals and market sentiment, right? We are looking at a short over here as well, right? At the current price. Actually, this is okay, yeah. So let's go to the 4-hour chart and Okay, so for this, I'm going to give two TPs, right? Uh, Yep. So it's going to short from here. We are going to see a slight bounce. So your entry point is going to be at the current market price, which is 3322, right? Uh, So you can expect a bounce from here, and this is what would be the first TP, right? At around 3298. Level, and depending on your portfolio and how adventurous you guys are, right? Second TP that I would give is going to be at, oh, wait. 3279 level, with a stop loss 3346. So this is going to be your second setup for gold, right? So entry at 3322, first TP 3298 with second TP 3279 and a stop loss at 3346. Now let's move into the third setup that we have for you guys, which is oil. So in oil, let me move this over here. Okay, oil. So around the start of April over here, we saw a big drop, right? And this was primarily because of your OPEC looking at increasing production, which brought the prices down, right? We saw a crash. Market has recovered quite a bit since then, right? Had a recovery, couldn't sustain, went down, but then we saw that here is another recovery that has happened, and this is primarily driven by you see US and China started resuming their talks. Canada wildfire has reduced supply, right, over here. So we see this going up. However, what is potentially looking at happening is because Yes, Saudi is losing its current hold on the market, and it's looking at going into a price war, right? Which would result in Saudi dropping down its prices significantly, which is going to affect this. Now, this is quite an interesting setup that we're looking at, right? What my team and myself are going to do, we are going to open a short position from around 65.33 level, right? So it's going to hit this level, 65.33. This is where we're going to short the market, right? Our stop loss is going to be here. So our stop loss is at around 66.77 level, right? And our take profit is going to be at 61.1, right? Now, let's discuss, because when this trade is going to happen, right? I know a lot of traders, right, that are going to be following this trade quite closely, right? And I want to share the movement that we foresee that is going to happen. So let's look at that. Then later on, we can evaluate it as well. So we're going to see it go up from here. From here, this is where our trade is going to open, right? And we are going to see it have a slight bounce from here, hit this level, then either it's going to go down here, or another possibility is it will bounce and then go down here. So this is the trade setup that we are looking at. These are the potential two moves that are going to happen, right? So I would just to be a bit cautious, right, and do risk mitigation, right? This is where I'm looking at closing, which it gives you a risk to reward ratio of 3.08, which is quite good, right? So these are the three trades that we're going to give. Today we're keeping our session quite short. ठीक है, कल जैसे आपको पता है कि सुबह ईद है, right? We want you guys to go and enjoy Eid. Wishing you all a great Eid to you and your family. That's all for today. See you again soon, right after Eid. Again, don't forget to subscribe activate the alerts, right? So that you get all the alerts once our videos come out. We will be sharing more and more setups, and inshallah, we are going to see how we can make you guys financially independent the same way me and my team have become. All the best. Talk to you guys soon. Allah Hafiz.